nani uphingeka ku-dates nobhuti othwele. Benginke ngasho guys ukuthi mina angisumuntu we-Instagram kakhulu yabo. Angazi Instagram ngina noma kwenzenjani. This limanyana day hayi ngene ku-Instagram vele nje ngiyascrolla through ama-message request yabo. Ngiyaphendula nje abantu. I saw this DM from this guy. It's a private account. Ubhalile nje a-paragraph nyana ukuthi hello Simphiwe, how are you? Nani nani uyancoma. Ngitsho ukuthi ungubani ntontontoni bo. Then then ngiyamphendula ke. Mina ngiphendula athi why discussing isidanga kuphendula ngiyamsho mina I'm not always ku Instagram yabo. That's all okay, it's fine and okay, let me send you ithombe zami because like i-account yami private. Angijavela ukuthi umuntu nje yena o-reserved yabo. Angithumelele ithombe zakhe bo. Ubhuti nje in his 30s, like it's a decent guy, ne? Hayi vele siqale-ke sixoxe then kusuka lapho athi okay uyamindeni ukunika inamba yakho siye ku-WhatsApp video call like yabo uzobona ukuthi nguyena vele lo muntu lo yabo. Wathi hayi wena nje ngiyakwazi ngibona nje nawe ngibona na ku-TikTok yabo sharp. Hayi then sikhulume ku-WhatsApp okay sikhulume vele nge-video call hayi sharp. Then kusuka lapho uhlala eSandton. Uhlala eSandton nase-Fourways. Unendlu eSandton nase-Fourways, ne? Ngathi le se-Fourways uyenze i-Airbnb yena uhlala kule eSandton. Yes. Leyo apartment. Hi, then kusuka lapha vele nje saxoxa-ke vele nje like getting to know each other situation, talking stage to situation. Angisho ukuthi okay but ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume kahle sihlele phansi yabo, so I wanna take you out on a date 99. Hayi sharp. Ngithi mina okay akunankinga. This other day angibuza athi wenzani namhlanje, ngimtshela ukuthi hayi khona kade ngisubmit-a, you know, bekufanele ngisubmit-e ngo-2. So ngizoyisubmit-a ngo-2. I think kwaku-11 ngaleso sikhathi. Athi okay mina senzeni namhlanje ngiphuma ngo-4. Ngicela ukuthi ngo-4 ngizokulanda siya ku-date. Angibuze athi uthanda into la ngizobona ukuthi siya ku-restaurant enjani yabo. Uyayithanda inyama? Ngithi mina hayi inyama ngiyayithanda. That's okay, it's sharp. Ngo-4 vele usho ukuthi umuntu osigcinayo isikhathi 4 o'clock guys bese-Campus Square. Nje ukuthi sengise-Campus Square Simphiwe qedile ngale nto ade kufanele uyisubmit-e. Right, ngithi mina ngiqedile ade kufanele uyisubmit-e ngo-2 ngisubmit-ile. Okay sharp asambe siyodla i-dinner-ke eMelrose Arch. Manje ngiyafika vele e-Campus Square guys. Hamba imoto yama-Grootman ngingisho kodwa ukuthi hamba imoto enjani. Le restaurant le guys ngathi isa buffet nyana ngoba like lokhu siyalethelwa nje iphokhi, lokhu siyalethelwa nje ima-wings, lokhu siyalethelwa ngathi like for an hour like every 5 minutes kufika nje umuntu unilethela inyama. Uyachuza ukuthi wena ufuna engakanani nje uyagalela isitsheni sakho yabo. Sharp ke phokho manje baletha ama-ribs, ima-wings, lokhu uhlobo lenyama ebovu, alikho uhlobo lenyama manje wors, sausages, everything nje baletha nje laphana vele nje lokhu uyagalela yabo. I think apana like 460 per hour, bo 460 umuntu one. I get it. Okay, something to drink ufunani like choose anything you want. Mina ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ngicela i-mocktail vele. Hayi kodwa i-mocktail sharp yena acele iti. I think kwakuyi-tea yes. Then after lapho lokhu saxoxa vele mina guys ngosami ngumuntu ozikhulumela kakhulu. Akazi ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani indaba yami. Ngikhuluma kakhulu ngizosambikaza athi wena ukhuluma zami futhi ku-first date. Athi uboba umuntu olungile, ubozenza umuntu olungile, uboziyenza ingelosi, ubothula, uvume yonke into. Uyeke ubhizi kulo ukhulumeza futhi. Mina guys anginazi shem mina ngikhulumeza futhi nje. Axoxa-ke mina-ke vele ke xoxa. Phela vele ilo i-hour yaphinde batsho ukuthi hayi ba-add linye futhi i-hour, you know. Hayi siphinde futhi silethele inyama. Hayi silethele inyama. Sengize vele ngikhathele nje sengize ngisuthi vele mina. Athi futhi okay something to drink enye na order manzi. Ngithi mina hayi mina ngiseng-right. Ngithi hayi mina ngiseng-right, you know. Lokhu saxoxa-ke. I think lingaphelanga nje le hour lesi-2 asho ukuthi yena no kufanele ukuthi ahambe because khona umsebenzi kufanele ukuthi awuqhubeke yabo endlini. Sharp ayisukume-ke vele sihambe angithatha ngibeke eresi maqeda ngibeke eresi hawu sivalelisane sharp sikhuluma efonini nani ne. Hawu masuka lapha guys athula umuntu I think wangibuyisela eresi ngabo 7 6 7 yes beku-7. Hawu athula umuntu 7 8 9 10 akasho ukuthi like ngihambe kahle or nje like akakhulumi, you know. Then I think mina ngabo 10 or 11 ngimbuze ngithi uhambe njani, great sick. Hawu hayi ngimyekele vele the whole night no text, in the morning no text. Lapho bese bantu bahlezi guys bakhuluma like bahlezi ngitexta good morning ngaze ntambama nje siyaxoxa samsanga ngifonela, you know. Ekuseni cwaka hayibo emini cwaka emini-ke angitext athi wenzani. Ngithi mina ngiceda kubuya esikoleni. Athi okay ngibhizi emsebenzini namhlanje angikwazi uzodla i-lunch nawe ukuthumelela something nyana nje for lunch. Ngithi okay athi ngifake ngenze i-wallet or ngifake i-account yakho. Hayi ngithi ngiyafaka i-account ngimnikeza account number athumele 200. Ngagcina ukuthi I got it thanks. Great sick the whole day cwaka hayibo guys ngisho ukuthi kuhamba amalanga the following day cwaka the whole day. Langa lesi-2 lesi-3 kwaze kwaphela iviki hayibo guys into engangikwayo yona. Ngithi khona maybe into engiyishilo mina ngayithandanga ugayi hayibo sengiyazibuza-ke manje Sontanga sekhaya ukhuluma kakhulu, ukhulumela samfuthi maybe khona into oyishilo laphayana ugaya angazayithanda. Ukhuluma kakhulu ngikhuzile ngathi ukothula ubuze izinto elungile. Ngakugoba I think guys after i-week hayi ngibona ukuthi ngiyeke phela. Kanti wenza njani manje ugaya? Ngimtexte mina after i-week. Angisazi noma ngathi indoda yolahleka or ngathini. Great. Phawu. Phele iviki lesuka. Guys ngangoba ngathi benza njalo naye umuntu. Or khona ethena sasiyenzile into ngakho yona. Hi, I think guys vele nje I went over that. I think after a month sengathi nje sengikhohliwe angitext. Like ungitexta as umuntu ophendula asho ukuthi i-message yami ukuthi indoda yolahleka yabo. Wavele wathi hayi inkinga nawe uthandaza kakhulu. Ngiphendule mina ngithi what do you mean? Ndoda ngifile sticker sithi yabo. Like imali yabo ukhalisini great till today. Ngabe sama number wakhe ngamblock after 2 months. Hayibo. Guys ngiyibuza ukuthi uchaza ukuthini. Wavele nje wabhala lo message inkinga nawe uthandaza kakhulu. No sticker no nothing. Ngabe ngayifundela kwezami. So guys be careful.
Hayi bandla bathi inkinga yakho wena uthandaza kakhulu. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangelo uqoqa story sakhe ukuthi waya ku date nabudi lo thwele uthi anibeni careful la ngaphandle bantu leniphuma nabo banihlanganisa nabo nje because yibo bantu bathwele ola ngaphandle. Uthi budi uma sekamghosta bese kagowa uyabona ugowe nje ngazi ukuthi umuntu tsalo mati kaningkhalo mati nyalo. You guys didn't even do anything but uyadebuta nje ukuthi hayibo sengimcoshe ngani sengindeni, what did I say, what did I do wrong? Uyabo ngani uNkulunkulu naye usuka kusinzisa ematimeni. And I wonder how did the guy pick up ukuthi ugela uthandaza kakhulu. How did he know? But I guess bayathi because manje they have their own things. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.